Here is a quick summary of events up to this point. I arrived at this airport yesterday at 1844 from Kuala Lumpur. I then spent the night at the 4-Point Sheraton in downtown Taipei. I came back to the airport in the morning to catch a flight to Tokyo, which was scheduled to leave at 11:30. While waiting for the flight, I spent less than an hour in the China Airlines lounge. I then went to the gate to get ready to board the airplane, but it was delayed. It was delayed several times, and then eventually the flight was canceled. I had to go out to the China Airlines check-in counter to get a new ticket. Once they gave me a ticket and I checked my bags, then I had to go through security again and immigration and passport control. The new ticket is for this flight, China Airlines 6, a Boeing 777-300ER, scheduled to depart from gate D6 at 1700 and scheduled to arrive in Los Angeles at 12:26 Pacific Standard Time. I had a first-class seat on the flight that was canceled, so they gave me a first-class seat on this flight. This flight will be 11 and a half hours, or 7,070 miles. On the previous flight, I was scheduled to arrive in Atlanta at 16:08. But on this flight, I'm scheduled to arrive at the gate in Atlanta at 22:50. All right, let's see what's on the menu. A shrimp apricot salad puff. Main course, pork and mushroom stew with steamed rice, kale, red pepper, betel nut flowers, or grilled halibut in miso sauce with jade rice, vegetable egg roll. Desserts, fruit and cheese plate, cheddar brie asiago, sweet duo, cheese custard carrot cake, avocado mousse cake. This is a cocktail menu with some typical cocktails. I always get Bombay Sapphire, straight up. And these are wines. These are seat controls. The seat reclines and it will lay down flat. A nice, convenient little storage compartment here. I'm pretty sure I saved those slippers, but I have no idea where they are now. Maybe I didn't save them. Alright, the GoPro is mounted on the window so I can record the takeoff. It doesn't look like this first class cabin is filled up. "10 hours and 46 minutes to Los Angeles." The next segment has been sped up.